In this Monday Minute video, we'll be talking about... Wait a minute. Did I just Oh no. I couldn't have just done that. Did I just delete an exam? Oh no. I gotta call Carla. This is bad.
Hi, Ricky.
Carla, I think I'm in a lot of trouble. I just really messed up.
What did you do?
I deleted an exam on one of my courses.
Okay, well, don't worry. We will be able to get it back. Are you in your course right now?
Yeah.
Okay, well, go ahead and click on the home page.
Okay.
And then once that loads, go up into the address bar at the top of your web browser and click at the end of the address that's already there.
Okay.
Then you're going to type / and type the word Undelete and then click enter.
Okay.
Okay, so now what you should see is a list of deleted items. You see that? Okay.
Yeah, I do.
So find the exam that you deleted and click on the button that says restore.
Okay.
And then it's going to ask you if you want to restore that exam, and then just click OK.
Oh my goodness, are you serious? This is
That's
awesome.
it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh, thanks. So if you ever accidentally delete something in Canvas, use those steps. And if you need anything else, come see us at OLITS.